Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys. In today's video, let's talk about the best tips and tricks for earning more with Lifepoints in 2025. Whether you're new to the platform or you've been using it for a while, these strategies can help you boost your points faster and redeem rewards more efficiently. First up, always complete your profile. Lifepoints uses your profile to match you with surveys that fit your background. The more complete and up-to-date your profile is, the more relevant surveys you'll receive. This means fewer disqualifications and more points earned per day. Next, check your email frequently. LifePoints often sends exclusive survey invites straight to your inbox. These can disappear quickly, so turning on notifications or setting a reminder to check your email a few times a day will help you catch them before they expire. Consistency is key. Make it a daily habit to log in and see what's available. Even if you don't qualify for every survey, trying a few each day increases your chances of landing one that pays well. And remember, some short surveys offer the same points as longer ones, so look out for those time-saving opportunities. Be honest in all your answers. LifePoints has built-in quality checks, and inconsistent answers can lead to disqualification or even account suspension. Always take your time and respond truthfully. It'll pay off in the long run. Another good trick is using multiple devices. LifePoints works well on mobile, tablet, and desktop. If you're not near your computer, you can still knock out surveys on your phone during breaks or commutes. Make sure to watch for bonus opportunities. LifePoints occasionally runs promos where you get extra points for completing a certain number of surveys in a week. These bonus goals can help you stack your points faster, so don't ignore them. Track your rewards and set goals. Having a specific gift card or payout in mind helps you stay motivated and keeps you from wasting points on things you don't really need. Plan ahead and choose the best value reward options available on the platform. Finally, avoid third-party sites or bots that promise extra life points. Stick to the official platform and always use legit methods. Not only is this safer, but it also ensures your account remains secure and active for the long term. That's it for this one. Those are your best LifePoints tips and tricks in 2025 to help you earn more and cash out faster. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone else looking to level up their rewards game.